Hi everyone. In this video, I will be discussing why learning by doing is crucial. Let's start with active engagement. When you learn by doing, you are actively engaged in the learning process. This active involvement enhances your understanding and retention of the material compared to passive learning methods like lectures or reading. Next, application of knowledge. By engaging in hands-on activities, you immediately apply the knowledge you have acquired. This application helps solidify concepts and allow you to see the direct impact of what you have learned. Moving into problem-solving skills, learning by doing often involves encountering and solving real-world problems. This process develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which are unavailable in various personal and professional contexts. Then, retention. Studies have shown that individuals retain information better when they learn through active participation rather than passive observation. Experiential learning promotes deeper understanding and longer lasting retention of knowledge. Lastly, motivation and engagement. Learning by doing is typically more interesting and motivating than using traditional methods. When you actually do something, it stirs in your desire to explore and learn more. Thank you and see you in next video.